ka All India Trinamool Congress AITC Meghalaya kan penyang ïakhun ni Bah George Lyngdoh MLA Barim ka umroy kumukertong ka party na kabenta ka election MP Lok Sabha arjar pusaw na Shillong Seat. Haba pentip ya kani hakilat pathai kubor hakano aphai singi kan laipo tarik noilar arjar pulai uba Charles Pongro President ka AITC Meghalaya ulong baka party kan dangsong perkhat halo kertong narilum garo.
So have you decided on the candidates, sir?
No, only after we get the go-ahead from the party that they will, they have to agree on certain issues, then we'll start go. Because we already have candidates, so there's no issue.
So who are your probable candidates, sir?
Well, from the Shillong region, and that's my personal, but according depends on the entire party hierarchy. I feel Bah George Lyngdoh will be a very good candidate. And from the Garos, I'll leave it to the wisdom of the Honorable Parliamentary Party Leader, Dr. Mukul Sangma, to take the final call.